Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of Messenger connecting. If you are also facing the problem of Messenger connecting due to which you are not able to see any activities on Messenger, then follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video to fix the problem. The first thing you can do is make sure that your Messenger is up to date. Go to Play Store and check if your Messenger has any new updates. If it has, then make sure to update it, because updating apps fixes any kinds of bugs. So make sure that is updated. The last thing you can do is hold the Messenger app and go to app info. From here you can clear the data of Messenger. You can clear both data and the cache of Messenger. After you do that, make sure that you remember the email address and password of your Messenger, because removing the data of Messenger will also remove email address and password from your device. So try out the things that I showed in this video. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.